rolling in
3, 2, 1. Check it out, everybody. We are back with your over-under today, and I am so excited for this one. No, I'm not excited at all. This is stupid, but here I go. You guys wanted it, I'm giving it to you. The Crestliner Mx21. Mx21, the Crestliner. The mighty Crestliner's coming your way. Do you hear it coming? That's cracking, but never mind, that was wrong. I shouldn't have done that. But here we go, are you ready? I'm excited. 21 footer with the 250 Pro XS. Starting price with not a damn thing on it. You hear me? Nothing. I get to sit in a boat, no electronics, no trolling motor. I don't get extra batteries. I get a cranking battery and I get to go boom, blah, 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 blah with my 250 Merc for $43,835. $44,000, that's what I get. I get a boat, a motor, and a trailer, and I can go fish crappies because I don't have a trolling motor. I could put an anchor on it for another 22 bucks, but I'm not gonna do that. But $44,000 is my startup. It comes rigged with the 80 on it, the 84 Trex. We threw that in the garbage because we know we don't like that. We got rid of that sucker. Whoop, badoosh, right in the lake. We bolted down our Ultrex 36, 112. Added our 331s and our 27. Added our 4-bank charger to make our wonderful back end like normal. At the console, we didn't even have to remove electronics because we didn't get any. We don't get any. We just piss on it. Let's just add a couple. All right, so we put our 10s, MDIs, our MSIs at the console. We put our MSIs at the console. And then at the bow, we didn't have to remove anything there either because we didn't get anything for 44 grand. So we got our 12 DIs up front, boom, boom, at the console with our Mega 360, so we can see 360 degrees all the way around our boat. So if I'm fishing this way and I can see, oh, big fish back there, back cast, catch him, if you know what I mean. Package wise, all right, we jumped into the packages, so that's it. We got our boat loaded up, we're ready to go. Package wise, we went with the Midnight Edition package. Midnight, I think, is there a song Midnight? Something to do with Midnight? There's gotta be a song about midnight. Somebody. Drum, no, he's gone, drummer's gone, so I can't get him to start singing about midnight. We got black boat cleats, we got black steering wheel, and we got black graphics, because that's it. Midnight, blacked out. The miscellaneous options that we got with our fine machine, we did get a hot foot, which was cool. 2 blades with brackets, power poles. We got to add the our mounts for the console and our bow. The paddle trim? What the f is paddle trim? Paddle? Are you paddle? There's paddle trims now? Like paddle boat? Blah, 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 blah. Like oar paddle? Paddling? Paddle. I got paddle trim. I had to minus my Z-Lock 6-inch manual aluminum jack plate. I had to take that off. Throw that there because it was $200. We'll put that over there and maybe someone will pick it up. I added my Atlas jack plate, 6-inch hydraulic, so I could use my paddle trim. Click, click, click. Shows levers or blinkers, but paddle shifters? I don't know. Whew. LED light package, we got that. The Pro fishing seat with the power pedestal, so boom, boom, so I can go up and down, which is cool. Custom cover. Automatic. I had to add an automatic bilge pump. It came with a bilge. I added an automatic bilge pump for 52 bucks. Okay. You're gonna need an automatic bilge pump when it starts to leak. Or when you get water in the back of the boat, I should have said. Okay. We are live. I don't know who's walking behind me. Me. Okay. The fire extinguisher. It doesn't come with a fire extinguisher? I had to buy a fire extinguisher? Shut up. I had to buy a fire extinguisher. It's a 20-foot boat. It's a law. You have to have a fire extinguisher. I have to buy it? Doesn't come with it. You can't add it in. For $44,000, I can't get a fire. I gotta buy a fire extinguisher. All right, I had to buy a fire extinguisher for 43 bucks because they didn't want to give it to me. Trailer options, I got a ball step, which was really nice. We went with the premium 4,500 pound bunk painted black trailer and the tandem axle. So we went with the bad trailer, of course, because my impression is if you got a cool boat, you should have a cool trailer. Vice versa, I always want to make the trailers look good. I spend a lot of money on trailers. I like my trailers to look good. That's it. But let's go. Let's just, before I get to the final pricing here, let's talk a little bit about Crestliner and what they do here. They got the interior features. They do have a wood-free construction now, which in this day and age it probably should be. Exterior, they got some pretty cool paint, storage. They got a tool holder, platform. They got a recessed foot pedal, which is cool, I guess. Seating, got the bucket seats, nice. Carpet comes with 16-ounce marine grade carpet with aluminum flooring. Stated that twice that there's no wood. Tilt steering wheel, hydraulic, which is nice. So it's come with their hydraulic steering. Got the widescreen switch panel with the toggle switches, C-deck accents every once in a while. So it's coming with some pretty decent stuff. It does have a trim switch at the bow, which is cool, I guess. So it's ready to go. 6-gauge wire all the way up to the front for trolling motor. Rod straps, got rod straps. Okay, flip seat, smoke, everything else is pretty common on what we got. So there's a quick rundown on, I'll give you a quick rewind. Here we go. Started out at 44,000. We got rid of the 80, added the 112, 3 batteries, big cranking battery, 4-bank charger. Didn't have to remove any electronics because it doesn't come with any for 44,000 bucks. We added our Helix 10s, SIs at the console. We added our 12s up front, didn't have to remove any because it didn't come with any, like I said. 12s stacked up front, DIs, 360. We went with the blackout edition, a midnight edition. Everything's black, gotta go black. Had the hot foot power pulls, the precision mounts. We threw the manual jack plate on the side of the road for someone to pick up for free. And we added the 6-inch hydraulic. We had the lights, we got the fishing seats. We had to purchase the fire extinguisher so when the boat starts on fire, we can put it out. And the automatic bilge pump was in there that we bought because we need to take care of that when it starts to leak. So, for a grand total of $63,710, you got yourself the bad Crestliner Mx21 coming at you hot. Yeah. Let's get him on the phone. Can we get him on the phone? I got a question on some of this stuff. On this package pricing stuff, I want to go talk to him. Ring.
Thank you for calling Crestliner. All calls may be recorded for quality and training purposes. If you are a dealer, press 1. If you are a consumer, press 2.
Well, it is in that time.
Thank you for calling Crestliner. For product, warranty, or parts inquiry, please contact your local Crestliner dealer. To find your local dealer, visit www.crestliner.com and click Find a Dealer in the top right corner, or select the Owners tab for answers to our most frequently asked question. Thank you for calling Crestliner.
Overpriced! I'm gone. All right, I can't end like that just because it's not me. But I'm not a fan of Crestliner. You know that, I know that. Transom problems, boats cracking, horror stories, guys sending them back, getting them back. Welds aren't good, re-braking, carpet lifting. I'm not a fan of them. But I feel they're overpriced. Not a fan. Overpriced. Overpriced for what you get for quality. And you just heard it. Can't get a hold of me. You don't want to talk to me. Want to forward me to a dealer. Probably not the deal. Okay. I'm done. Overpriced. As always, comment, subscribe, click notification bell to witness the madness that I call speed, money, and no brakes. Now, I'm gone.